The Barrandov Bridge project is the first major repair project for VSL Czech Republic. It's a great start to develop this activity in the country. The Barrandov Bridge crosses Vltava River and it's an essential traffic artery in the city. It's the busiest bridge in Prague with 140,000 cars passing daily. The renovation must be carried out with minimal disruption to the public. Considered as a masterpiece of the brutalism architecture in the country, an architectural style that has emerged during the 50s in the United Kingdom, the Barrandov Bridge went into the service in 1988 and has not undergone any extensive repair since then. For this major refurbishment project, VSL carries out strengthening works including additional external post-tensioning. The multiple box girders will be brought back up to the capacity to extend the bridge's lifetime under increasing traffic load. The reconstruction has started in 2022 and will be spread over the next 4 years. The works are expected to be executed in 4 stages over summer periods. The first stage was completed successfully in 2022 and the second stage has started in May this year.
VSL Czech Republic has successfully transferred what could have been a standard post-tensioning project into a significantly larger endeavour, resulting in a tenfold increase in scope. Our expanded scope of work now encompasses specialized tasks such as core drilling, the construction of concrete deviators and end blocks for strengthening systems, as well as rerouting of existing tendons. This remarkable achievement is a testament to VSL's long-standing presence in the Czech market, bolstered by a solid reputation that has been built over the years.